FBI Director Christopher A. Wray sent a staff-wide message Monday in the wake of fresh criticism from President Trump, telling employees to keep focused on their mission and praising them for example after example of their professionalism. The note did not mention the president's criticism or his claim over the weekend that the FBI was in tatters. Instead, Mr. Wray sought to reassure them of his faith in their work. "We find ourselves under the microscope each and every day, and rightfully so," Mr. Wray wrote. He noted that he has defended the agency to Congress, and expects to do so again later this week. The note ends with one of Mr. Wray's favorite phrases to his personnel: "Keep calm and tackle hard." On Saturday, The Washington Post and The New York Times reported that Peter Strzok, a senior counterintelligence official who played a key role in investigating both the Hillary Clinton email case and possible connections between the Trump campaign and the Kremlin, had been removed from his job on the special counsel's probe because of texts he exchanged with another senior FBI official. Top FBI officials removed from Trump probe amid ethics probe. In response, Trump tweeted over the weekend that the FBI's reputation was in tatters, worst in history. "But fear not, we will bring it back to greatness." Strzok had been working as the top FBI official assigned to special counsel Robert S. Mueller III when officials learned of his alleged indiscretions with another FBI official, also involved in both the Clinton and Russia probes. He was immediately taken off the Mueller team and assigned to work in the Human Resources section of the FBI, widely understood by colleagues at the FBI to be a demotion. Mueller is probing whether any Trump associates coordinated with Russian agents to try to interfere in the 2016 presidential race, and whether the president or other White House officials sought to obstruct justice in trying to end that investigation, according to people familiar with the matter. The president has long maintained he did nothing wrong, and he has called the probe a political witch hunt, saying it is Clinton, not him, who should be investigated. White House aides have repeatedly said Mueller's probe will end soon, even though people close to the investigation have said it will last many more months, and possibly years. Within the Justice Department and the FBI, officials have for months feared that revelations about Strzok's alleged conduct with another FBI official could give fuel to calls from the White House and Republicans in Congress to end the Mueller's probe. Inside the secretive nerve center of the Mueller investigation, the conduct by Strzok and the FBI official, a lawyer named Lisa Page, is now being investigated by the Justice Department's Inspector General. People familiar with the texts described the communications as disparaging of Trump and generally supportive of Clinton, although one of those individuals, a friend of Page, insisted the whole issue was overblown. Reacting to that news, Attorney General Jeff Sessions issued a statement saying the allegations, if true, would raise serious questions of public trust. He also said he had instructed Wray to promptly make any necessary changes to his management and investigative teams consistent with the highest professional standards.